In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use tags with Hootsuite. Tags are a simple way to organize and manage your social media posts. When you add tags, you can make it easier to find content later, sort your activity, and keep your workflow more consistent. To get started, you will open the scheduling or publishing area where you compose a post. First, click the Create Pencil icon. This icon is usually associated with creating a new post or editing an existing draft. On screen, you should look for the small pencil symbol next to a Create label, or near the section where you normally begin composing content. Taking this step matters because it opens the composer so you can enter your post details and prepare it for publishing. Next, scroll down and click Add Tags. As you move lower in the posting interface, you will see additional options that are hidden until you scroll. This is where tags are located. When you click Add Tags, the interface should reveal a tag section or prompt. This matters because you need to enable tags before you can select a specific label to attach to your post. After that, select your tag from the drop-down list. The drop-down list shows the tags you have available in your account. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing the correct one, especially if you have tags for different topics, campaigns, or content categories. In many cases, you can simply click the tag name and it will be applied to your post automatically. This step matters because the tag you pick is what will help you organize and filter your content later. Once you have selected the appropriate tag, you are ready to publish or plan the timing of your post. Now click Post Now or Schedule. If you choose Post Now, your content will be published right away. If you choose Schedule, the interface will let you select a date and time for when the post should go live. This step is important because it controls when your audience will see the post, and it also affects how your publishing calendar is organized. If your goal is immediate posting, Post Now is the best option. If you are preparing content in advance, Schedule helps you align your posts with your strategy and timing. Either way, this is the final action that completes the flow for tags and publishing. After you click Post Now or Schedule, you should see a confirmation that the post has been published or is set for the selected time. If it is scheduled, the scheduled status should be visible in your calendar or in the post list, depending on how your Hootsuite layout is set up. At this point, the tag you selected should remain attached to the post, allowing you to find it later using your tag organization. To recap, you started by clicking the Create Pencil icon to open the composer. Then you scrolled down and clicked Add Tags to reach the tagging option. After that, you chose your tag from the drop-down list so the post would be properly categorized. Finally, you clicked Post Now or Schedule to publish immediately or set the post for later. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.